Mikey Mike, let's tell YouTube why your dailies in here.
Well, so I know you guys have seen it in the past. This is my 05 Subaru Legacy GT Limited.
Limited.
Been putting off some maintenance, trying to get this thing done, the Nissan.
Putting off is an understatement.
So I'm getting some knock reading on my cob, so it definitely needs spark plugs. It misses like crazy.
Hasn't had spark plugs in over 2 years.
Oops.
It's real good on a turbo engine, huh?
Yeah, but you know, all cars have names. This one's called Fat Panda. That's the one that everyone knows.
It's a Fat Panda. She's a little frozen right now. But...
A little bit here in Wisconsin.
Oh my God. Oh my God, what happened, Mike?
So
Mike.
I don't want to talk about it.
Mike doesn't want to talk about it.
No, so I was...
Taco Bell, and then it spun out. No, I'm just kidding.
No, I went into a store last summer, and came out to my taillight lens just on the ground. I was like, what the heck? So here I thought maybe, you know, someone just hit the taillight. No, they definitely did all this. I mean, this is definitely indented pretty good. But I have a local friend, local buddy that's definitely gonna put in some work and help me out on it.
Silly salmon. Oh, and we're going to throw some new pads on these fancy rotors.
Yeah, while I'm waiting for my other ones.
Yep, we're just going to do a whole kit. Eventually, we'll do good pads, good rotors, stainless brake lines.
Especially
get
since
that,
I play
get that pedal feel. Get that pedal feel.
Especially since this is going to be my autocross car too, for certain things. It's got tasteful mods, so I mean it's a daily, so nothing crazy. But let's get into
tasteful according to who you ask. Some people might be like, it tastes like poopy.
See? Stock airbox.
Stock airbox.
Stock.
Oh, look at this fancy cover. Cool. Well, let's get doing it.
Awesome.
Who?
SOS.
All right, so we have old versus new. Obviously, you could tell which one's which. Look at that gap difference, though. This is the importance of doing your plugs before they get this bad, Mike.
They were like that.
Yeah. Eventually, they were like that, so.
Are they auto lights?
No, they're NGKs.
Oh, thank God.
So, yeah, NGKs, going back with NGKs.
Iridiums.
6.6. Yep. So, yep. All right, let's get the rest of these in. Now, when we do this again for real, we'll make sure we grease everything, torque everything. Just yeah. And like I mentioned earlier, rotating these. This mic's driven too far. You remedy that. Take us in the front, passenger side.
It's okay, I'm good. This thing is super heavy.
Now on.
Make
I'm on
it.
a diet.
Suck it in, Slim.
They're actually all on diet. Six us. Diet six.
Mm-hmm. I need to be on the other side. Didn't have enough light over there.
At this point, I mean, the majority of the people watching, we know how to change a caliper. It's just that.
Maybe they want to watch you do it.
Right, what's nice to point and laugh at Mike for waiting so long. I mean, as you can see, it's pushed out almost an inch. So this caliper, in too much longer like this, you'd have to buy a new caliper. And you don't want to go too fast on this, because if it did go too far, or if it's got a weak seal, you definitely don't want to pop it out. But luckily, it went in really nice and smooth, so which is really nice for Wisconsin. Holy shit.
Don't think there's much back here, Mike. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. There's it's like bad.
That's what you don't want to see. You don't, Mike. You are literally no pad. Literally.
That's why they have pedals, right? Helps with stopping.
Look at that.
I think the back one's worse. If I can even get it off.
Might be welded.
I don't know. This one's actually better.
Or some left. But...
What? Mike shouldn't like this whole thing.
No, definitely not.
Hey. I'm on with it.
Hey, yeah. Keep your mouth shut.
You know, they do contests with that.
Seeing how long you can wait on your brakes?
No. Let's do stumps. We'll explain a little bit more in an upcoming episode of why I'm scared to buy my wife a new car.
What kind of car is she want?
She wants, well, we've had a couple BMWs, and for some reason she really likes them.
She obviously doesn't work on it.
No. I have Paul for that.
She does some work. She doesn't make me do it all. I've been making her do more of it as of late.
In the summer when I can feel my fingers.
It's not that.
Okay.
I told you.
I was already at work. And then I didn't hear anything about dressing warm.
You gotta eventually get a speech. It's like a face injury.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't disconnect anything else, right?
No.
Oh, it landed right on your hand.
That was a little chilly.
Oh, it ain't that bad.
I said a little chilly. I didn't say. What's up?
Oh, you just wait.
All right, Mike. Rear brakes, plugs, and tire rotation. According to you, you're good for another 30,000.
You got short arms there or what?
Yep. I try to pull the hair.
How often should you do plugs?
Well, technically, iridiums are supposed to be good for 100,000, but you're a forced induction motor. Engine, excuse me. Motors are electric. So with boost, you want to change them out a little bit more often. And yeah, you definitely don't want to wait that long.
Or else this happens.
Yeah, a lot of people like to use coppers.
Oh, yeah?
Coppers are really good, but they wear out really fast. You clear, Mike?
No. Dang it. I don't know what happened.
We're down a little faster than we thought it was.
That's what happened when I did it.
Yeah,
Uh-huh. I feel like a little puppy dog.
Like you grab your torque wrench. So this is all done here.
What?
This is all done.
Everything that I can find. Yeah, I didn't see anything that wasn't.
Uh-oh. Watch out.
Prostate gloves on.
Yep.
Well, yeah, you can't get the torque wrench.
Do we know torque specs?
Yep, 95.
Right. He's prepared.
Right.
Tape. This is tape. You listen to the soundtrack to Lion King?
That's what I was getting ready to say. This was from The Lion King.
Hey, I'm trying to express this.
All the time you should express yourself with music. Pump it, pump it, pump it.
What?
You're moving the car.
Didn't know my own street.
Safety first, two jack stands. Here.
Uh-oh.
How's your roll over there? Oh, we didn't try to go underneath the front. It probably wouldn't fit underneath the lip.
No, probably not.
Oh, almost.
What's that? Not a star pattern?
What?
I was just making a joke. Last time you told me to do a star pattern, and I didn't.
Oh yeah. So what happens when these don't get torqued?
They sound like the wheels would fall off.
Well, actually, it starts out with like an engine knock. It sounds kind of like an engine knock or a almost kind of like an axle. When you turn the axle, turn the wheels, and it spins the axle with on a bend. So it, yeah. And then you tighten up the lug nuts, and it goes away. But that's how you know it's the lug nuts, not the axles. There's a local shop north of us. They've kind of got a little reputation for forgetting to torque or not torquing properly,
Or have it someone check.
or yeah, not double checking. So, and we don't name names. So it's, hey, if people are errantous, that's human nature. It happens. So you just gotta fix your problem and drive on. So
Good.
we're good.
Good.
We're good. We're good headed.
Good.
All right, guys. That's it for this episode. Quick episode for Mike's. What do you call it? It wouldn't be premature maintenance. What's the word? To last too long? Take too long to do something? Procrastinate. The procrastination of Mike's maintenance. That's what this episode is all about. Procrastination.
Panda's gonna love it.
Fat Panda is yes. So we're going to take her out for a spin. Well, Mike is. I'll probably be in the truck. I don't know yet. But I guarantee it's going to run better. It may not be 100%. There could be something else wrong with it, but those plugs are definitely going to help. As always, take care, share. We got some stickers coming. Hopefully by next week they'll be here. And we will be more than grateful if you guys share, like,
Comment.
subscribe.
And it's most important to ring-a-ding-ding that bell.
See you guys.
Bye.